Hello my friends, today we are going to organic farms in the United States to see how the production of organic agricultural products happens. According to USDA statistics, by the end of 2022, in the United States, there are 17,445 operating organic farms with an area of 5.8 million acres. The majority of organic farms are concentrated in states such as California, Wisconsin, New York, or Pennsylvania. Due to rapid increase in human demand for organic food, the number of organic farms in the United States has always increased by 3 to 5% each year. However, the percentage of organic farms in the country has never exceeded 1%. According to statistics, in 2022, sales from certified organic farms in the United States amount to $9.93 billion, of which the organic products that bring the highest revenue are lettuce, milk, eggs, apples, and cattle. We are currently at an organic lettuce farm in Monterey County, south of San Francisco, California. September through November is usually the busiest time for lettuce growing in California's fields, and this 47-acre farm is no exception. Every time the lettuce growing process takes place, this farm will have about 170 migrant workers come to work, and most of them are illegal immigrants from Mexico. To receive USDA organic certification, this lettuce farm must meet strict product standards that include soil health requirements, natural pest control methods, and absolutely zero use of pesticides. After about 125 days, millions of organic lettuce plants on this farm are ready to be harvested. This is also when about 270 migrant workers from Mexico come here to work. According to USDA statistics in 2022, California lettuce production is 4.4 billion pounds, and about 9.7% of that is organic lettuce. Each year, the lettuce industry in the United States creates approximately 87,300 full and part-time jobs. In addition, lettuce production generates about $2.7 billion in value, of which organic lettuce farms across the country bring in a value of about $830 million. Goodbye lettuce farms, we're going to organic goat farms in Edwards County, Southwest Texas, to see how dozens of boer goats are raised. In order to be recognized as an organic farm by the USDA, dozens of goats on this farm have been fed organic food for their entire lives. In the production of goat foods such as alfalfa or cereals, farmers are not allowed to use pesticides and chemical fertilizers. In addition, the living conditions of goats on an organic farm should also be ensured by factors such as sanitation of the barn, humane treatment during rearing, and plenty of time outdoors. With outstanding features such as muscular muscles and a stocky appearance, boer goats or South African goats are often raised on goat farms for meat. In addition, the average weight of an adult boer goat is also 25 to 40% larger than other common goat breeds. According to a USDA report from June 2021, there are 14,130 active goat farms in Texas. Of these, there are about 173 certified organic goat farms, and the number of organic goats in the state is about 13,700. Here's what's going on at an incubator in Alabama. One day after hatching, hundreds of geese here will be moved to organic goose farms in Cullman County, located in the north central part of Alabama. These geese will live in the barn for 2 weeks before they are released outside to roam freely on the lawns. According to statistics from the beginning of 2023, in Alabama, there are 73 active goose farms, and most of these are small-scale farms. In order to receive certification as organic from the United States Department of Agriculture, it is similar to organic goat farms. Goose farms also need to meet stringent requirements regarding the use of goose feed, humane treatment practices, and flocks of geese having plenty of outdoor access time. At this goose farm, wheat is the main feed used. In addition, geese are birds that love to eat greens and grass, so releasing them on lawns is a must for organic goose farms. According to USDA statistics, in 2021, in the United States, there are about 1,320 geese farms for the purpose of eggs and meat. In addition, across the country, there are also many farms raising geese in small numbers as part of a diversified livestock operation. According to reports from the goose meat processing facilities, approximately 7,600 geese are slaughtered in the United States each year. 23% of those are geese raised on organic farms. The amount of goose meat consumed each year in the United States is only about 3% of total poultry production. These are chicks at an incubator in Wisconsin, and they're about to be shipped to organic chicken farms in Madison City, south central Wisconsin. Currently, there are 354 chicken farms in Wisconsin that are USDA certified organic. This ranks 5th in the list of states with the most organic chicken farms. Leading on this list is California, with 702 farms. All chicken feed on an organic chicken farm must be certified organic and non-GMO. Farm owners are not allowed to use synthetic substances, growth hormones, and antibiotics in the process of raising chickens. In addition, the chickens at this farm must also have access to clean water at all times. Currently, many people have confusion about the difference between chickens raised on free-range farms and organic farms. The difference between these two types of farms is in the chicken feed. Although free-range farms also release chickens into the pasture, the supplements for chickens here are often made from genetically modified ingredients.